everyone, and welcome back. It is such a beautiful day in the Ozarks today, and I hope you are having a great day where you're at as well. This is another Your Creative Studio subscription box. This is the June's box, and can't wait to see what's in here, so let's get in it. I'm always happy with these boxes. So there's always something you can use. I mean, always something. There is Amanda's note, which, you know, because of the coronavirus, international shipments of the boxes are experience some delays. So, but that's just part of even our postal system doesn't seem to get out as quick as they should. I know it takes several days sometimes to get a package, a couple days longer than it should. So looks like a great box, guys. This is kind of on the doily and lacy kind of one, this time in the peach and greens. Oh, that is really nice. Okay, so there are some stickers there, and these are paper stickers as well. They look really nice. There's what's on the, they're just like little doilies and things. These will be cute. Let's see if I can get that undone. We'll check some of these out. So those are really going to be cute. They're like the pinks and some, I'm not sure what you'd call that. It's not really peach. There's some of the light greens. There's some like half doilies there, little borders. Those are really cute. And there's a lot of stickers in there. So this one here got turned a little bit. Let me fix it. We'll just fix him. Okay, so there is that. Those are really nice. There's some blue ones that are really cute. So there's your little stickers. And this is a little stamp. How cute is that? That's really nice. Okay. Oh, this is wonderful. I've been wanting some of these. I haven't ordered any, but I have been wanting some of these little label things. So those are cute. Those are really nice. Okay, and there's a lot of them in there. A lot. Can you see that? There's a lot of stickers in there, or labels, I mean. Here's a little bookmark. That is cute. Oh, and I don't know what this is. Let's glow. I wonder if it's a glue stick. Let's open this up and see what we've got here. Oh, I'm going the wrong way with it. Okay. So this is the... I'm not sure what that is. Let me get a piece of paper here. There we go. Yes, it's a glue stick. Well, how cool is that? Well, we'll definitely have to try that out. Definitely have to try that out. That's nice. It's really a nice container. Okay. Now, I'm not sure what's in here. Looks like more little doilies of some sort. This would be a nice tin to repurpose right here. Paper's clinging to me. Oh, it's a stamps. Oh, how cute. Looky there. Those are nice. Very, very nice. I was not expecting a stamp set, so here's another Bookmark Ruler. That's cute with the bird cage. Some more of the labels. There's what they look like. I love that these boxes are always kind of themed. Those are nice. Now these are not stickers. They're just paper, so very, very cute. Those would be nice just to tuck in a pocket in your journal. Now I am thinking about this time doing a little craft with me. Instead of just doing a little project, I actually am thinking about doing a beginner journal. Here's some little, I guess I shouldn't have just set that over. They're little bows. These are really cute. Little sticker sheet. And then we've got daily plan notebook. Let's see what this. There's your, oh, that'd be nice for your planner or your journal. Okay, those are nice. I always like these little books too. I am thinking about doing a full beginner journal or traveler's notebook or something to that effect. Oh, we got doilies. Yep, we got some doilies. And there's, I don't know, about 30 or 20, 30 doilies. Oh, those are nice and they feel nice. Okay, and look at what they came in. Could definitely repurpose that. That is cute. Oh, here's a vellum. Oh, I don't know if you can see the ladies in that. Oh, how cute. Yep. Well, the top two pieces are vellum. So nice. Okay. Boy, I love this paper. Oh, I love these vintage papers. They are just right up my alley. I think there's just two. Yeah, it's kind of thicker paper there, but isn't that cute? Oh yeah. Okay, guys. But I am thinking that is what I'm going to do this time, is just maybe do a beginner's traveler's notebook and use some of these products that are in the subscription box. I think that may be the route that I go this time, so I will have to put that in another video. I won't put it in this one, so look for that, because I believe that's what I'll be doing. So anyway, I hope you like the unboxing, guys, and I'm telling you, I absolutely love these subscription boxes. It's like getting a present. To me, it's like getting a present. Just giving a little present to yourself. So I will have the link to Amanda's website, and I know her kits go fast, so you might have to order ahead on a month, you know, to be sure that you get one. Anyway, guys, have a great day, and I will, like I said, I will do a craft with me doing a full traveler's notebook using some of these products here, and it will be geared toward the beginners, so it will be something easy for you to do. Take care, everybody, and thanks for watching.